Good day, everybody. Ricardo Mendiola, credit and real estate expert. Today, I wanted to talk about medical collections as it pertains to buying a house. A lot of people think that medical collections do not affect you in reference to buying a house, and that is not true. Any collection on your credit report, any derogatory item on your credit report affects your credit score. And your credit score is one of the main things to be able to get approved for a home. So if you got those medical collections removed from your credit report, your scores would increase and now you would be able to qualify for a home. And some of you that are approved right now for a mortgage for a home, even though you have medical collections, imagine if those medical collections were not on your credit report. Where could your credit score be? What kind of interest rate would you be quoted if those medical collections were not on your credit report compared to right now, whatever interest rate they quoted you with those medical collections on your credit report? So I hope this helps you out. Medical collections do affect your ability to be able to purchase a home, okay? If you have any medical collections and you have any questions, please call me, please direct message me. Thank you very much.